Arguments. As people are not perfect, a married couple will have arguments throughout their marriage. In fact, no relationship is free of arguments. It is important to use kind speech during arguments, as it is rare for someone to accept their fault and accept the truth when they are spoken to in a harsh manner. In fact, harshness will only cause one to be pushed further away from accepting their fault and changing for the better. Often, the one who treats others harshly causes more problems than the initial thing which lead to the argument, even if they are correct. Just like some truths should not be spoken about when it can offend someone, neither should someone who is in the right use harshness during arguments. Being right does not give someone the right to use harshness in speech. This attitude will only cause enmity to grow within a married couple. In addition, it is best to let certain things go which are not obligatory to admit or understand, instead of arguing over them with one's spouse. To overlook, in most cases, leads to greater happiness than always reproaching and arguing with one's spouse over every little issue. Certain things which are important, such as the obligatory duties, are something which must be addressed and discussed even if it leads to an argument. But in cases like this, one should always use kind words, as a successful outcome is more likely with this technique. Too much criticism, even if it is constructive, can lead to enmity. A wise person understands that the majority of people, especially in this day and age, do not like to be constructively criticized. This habit will only lead to enmity between a married couple. Constructively criticizing once in a while is acceptable, as it helps one another improve as Muslims, but it should not be overdone. It must be done in a kind manner and at the appropriate time. Saying the right thing at the inappropriate time can lead to further problems. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.